Hi, I'm Drew, and that's Bethany.
The Peephole. What an invention. So underrated.
A dime-sized window to the outside world that lets you know if there's a good reason to open the door. Maybe it's the pizza man.
But it can also be used for watching movies. Bet you didn't see that one coming.
Today, we're looking for a peephole in an alleyway that has a very unusual secret to tell.
It's the Peephole Cinema, coming up on Oddity.
How's that coffee?
It's okay. When you said you were taking me to the movies today, this is not what I had in mind.
Would you like to go to the movies more often?
Well, once in a while it would be nice.
What about that one we just saw with the what's his name, and he was on the thing going to the place?
That was 2 years ago.
No.
Yeah, it was.
Does today count?
I guess we'll see.
To find this tiny way to watch movies, from 101 take the exit toward Cesar Chavez Potrero Avenue. Continue west on Cesar Chavez Street and turn right on Valencia. The Peephole is located down Orange Alley, which is a block east between 25th and 26th Streets.
25th. So we're looking for Orange?
Orange Alley, so it's not a street, it's an alley.
But it has a sign.
Alleyways can have signs.
Apparently, this is definitely an alley. Do you see a peephole?
No, but I do see a lot of interesting graffiti.
Definitely.
I think, are these people's garage doors?
I think so. Theirs is perfectly clean.
They must have just moved to the neighborhood. They haven't gotten the memo about needing to paint your garage door yet.
So one of the fun things about the Peephole Cinema is a bit of a treasure hunt to find. It's only marked with a small sign of an eyeball above it.
Huh.
Is this something?
Oh, is that it?
I'm afraid to look in places I shouldn't. Nothing in there.
Doubtful. Well, whose idea was this Peephole Cinema?
That would be Lori O'Brien. She's an artist who works with video installation, performance, and animation.
Wow, it sounds like she figured out a way to roll all three of those talents into one idea.
True.
It's impressive.
And the good thing about the Peephole Cinema is it runs day and night, 24 hours straight, so we're not going to miss the show.
Okay. Well, maybe we'll find it faster if we split up. Why don't you look that way and I'll look this way?
Yeah, just don't get lost.
Did you see it?
Nope.
Well, keep going, I guess. That's pretty cool. Oh, I think this might be it.
Hey,
Yep, there's your eye.
marks the spot.
Yeah, pretty cool. Tell you what, before I look in there, how about I tell you a little bit about how this works?
I thought it was magical.
Oh, it is. It is. This is a standard security peephole, but it's been reversed to give the viewer on the street the advantage looking in, and it's been set into a vintage doorbell to kind of give the feel of like you're looking through a microscope.
That's insane.
It's insane.
Programmer Sarah Klein of Peephole Cinema once said, "The small format works to the advantage of a lot of films. It makes the film a little gem in this tiny little space with no distraction."
It's so small.
I know. We're gonna both do this.
Would you care to take the first look?
Yeah, well, if something pops out at me, I'm leaving.
Leaving the show?
Oh, hey, there's a movie going on in there.
All right, let me see.
No. Oh, that's cool. Oh, wait, what happened?
Don't tell me you broke it.
I didn't break it. But they are the ending credits. I did miss the beginning of it.
We missed the movie?
No, we didn't miss the movie. Go ahead, take a look.
Hey, there's a movie in there.
And the movies at Peephole Cinema change every so often. So there is a list of what is currently playing.
They're all silent films too, so you don't need to bring your earbuds or anything. In fact, there isn't even anywhere to plug them in.
Don't hog it. In this day and age, when movies can be seen at theaters or from your home or from your phone, Lori O'Brien has found a way to capture the magic and intrigue of filmmaking.
There are also Peephole cinemas in Los Angeles and Brooklyn. Maybe we'll find one of those one day.
Running since 2013, the Peephole Cinema is a little gem that will make your day if you can find it.
We encourage you to come see it for yourself, but it is hidden in an alleyway, so maybe don't come at night?
Yeah, safety first. Thank you guys for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
Is that it? There's a little eyeball.
You're not supposed to find it in the car seat. That's cheating.
If I pull up closer and roll down the window, will you be able to look in there without even getting out of the car?
I wouldn't recommend it. This is someone's house.
This would be the shortest episode we've ever made.
Yeah, just look real quick and then we're done.
Okay.
Huh.